Hello everyone! This lesson is 2.2.8 and focuses on space propulsion. So it's a real quick one. It's going to talk about the differences between the physics of flight here on Earth versus in space, and then go over a couple of different ways that we can create propulsion in space. And that's going to be about it for today. So let's get started. Alright, so as previously mentioned, this is 2.2.8 and it is talking about space propulsion. So the big concept of this lesson is that we're going to do a brief review of Newton's laws of motion, and we're going to look at some examples of space propulsion. So let's take a look at Newton's law. So we're going to be mostly focusing on the law of inertia. So that is F equals ma, which is also known as for every action force, there is an equal and opposite reaction force. If you are a fan of Hamilton, this is one of the famous lines from the show, and it will certainly help you remember it if you're a Thomas Jefferson fan. So let's talk about space propulsion specifically. So first of all, we know space is frictionless. That means that a small force can result in movement, and that venting gas from spacecraft can cause spinning or undesired movement. So spacecraft frequently adjust direction with small pulses. Each and every pulse from a spacecraft uses fuel, obviously. So the first example of space propulsion that we're going to look at is an ion thruster. An ion thruster is electric energy that expels ions from a nozzle, and it's an efficient use of fuel and electrical power. And allows modern spacecraft to travel farther, faster, and cheaper than other propulsion technology currently available. We also have the Hall thruster, which uses an electric field to accelerate ions, and it uses radial magnetic fields to generate an azimuthal, I can never say that right, Hall current. And then we have the solar sail. The solar sail uses the sun's energy to enable travel. It bounces a stream of solar energy particles, photons, off of a giant reflective sail, which creates thrust. Alright, so that is it for 2.2.8. So make sure you took some good notes. If you have any questions, jot them down and I will answer them in class, and I'll see you soon. Bye!